So boom, period. Y'all already know how this is gonna go because I get straight to it. So today I'm gonna be doing a wash and go. I will be using this Don't Shrink by Aunt Jackie's, period. And I'll be using this Cream of Nature hair butter. Handy dandy water bottle. Get it from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Okay. We got my handy dandy little Y2 comb. You know, the one I used in my last video. Period. Need the scrunchie. And wanna be fancy. Like wanna do the motion. I wanna be a little extra, you know. Use these little hair clips or if you wanna, you know, stun them, you know, wanna stun them a little bit, you know, use these, get these things look a bit special. Y'all know the little hair clips everybody be using for their hairstyles. Use this. Yeah. Let's start it. Just gonna put my hair down the middle. I'm gonna do one side first and then I'm gonna do the other side later. So this is a process. Light this up on this side. Damn. Excuse me, y'all. We can put the back first. I can just do it because you know my back already short. So yeah, okay. So first, I'm gonna take some water. I'm gonna spray it down for that like. Spray. You know what? I'm be back. I'm be right. Just like what's a poppin'? These curls, period. We're just gonna keep working it in there. Keep working it in there. Okay, boom. Next one. Comb it. I'm not hurting myself, y'all. I mean, even though it be sounding like I'm hurting myself, I'm really not. I feel the last step. I'm like, great to the last step. I'm fine. I feel good. Add a little more of this butter. I still don't know my hair type is, but it be dry, like dry. Like 2 days, whatever I put in it is dry. Like we're gonna get it together. Period. I'm just gonna keep baking. Just keep baking. Oh, look at that. Can y'all see it? Y'all tell me what that is, because I still think I'm for A for B, because it's not like kinky, but it's like, you know. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do the rest and come back, period. So yeah, I'm be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm done. Oh, let me show y'all. Y'all see that? Oh, look at that. Now, can y'all tell me below, like, what's my little curl pattern? Because I don't know, like. But, okay, so I'm done. And last but not least, we gonna shake it. Shake it like a water picture. Come on, shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. And there we go. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty. Ain't it pretty? And it just got extra short. Let me turn it around so I can see it. See that? Okay, so this is it, you guys. You know, if y'all want to jazz it up, y'all can add the little bobby pins. Where's my bobby pins? But alright, now, that's what I like to do. Put it right there, and then take the other one. Separate it right there. You use the same color, different colors, you know how I be feeling. And no. And put it right there. Come on, clip. Clip. Okay, so I like to wear masks sometimes with the little. They ain't cute, y'all. Thumbnail. Okay, y'all, so like, comment, and subscribe or whatever. Subscribe, like, comment. Okay, y'all, so bye.